My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is array in Java. Basically, we will see what is array, then syntax of array, why we need to use array, and then advantages and disadvantages of array. First of all, we will see what is array. Normally array is a collection of similar kind of data type. That means array contains multiple elements of similar type. For example, integer type of data, float type of data, string type of data. But to store the elements in array needs only similar kind of data. That means in one array we can store only integer data. For another type of for float we can only uh, use float type of data. For string we can use only string type of data. Then how to declare array? There are multiple ways to declare and use array. We can only declare array, then we can instantiate array, then initialization happens. In these three steps, we can, by using that three steps, we can use array in our program. So for instantiating and declaring array, we used syntax such as the data type, that means integer, float, etc. The name of array, then equal to sign, then new, and again array, and in bracket size of array. This is a normal format or a syntax for declaring array. Then we can store only fixed set of elements in an array. Array contains index. That means elements present in array. Every element present in array have its specific index, and the index of array starts with 0 and so on. In array we can also use length property, and that length property is used to define or get the size of array. Unlike C or C++, in C or C++ we have to use size of operator or size of method. But in Java we can use length property. Then array is a object of similar kind of data, and array inherits the object class, and as well as it implements the serializable and clonable method. There are two types of array. First one is single dimensional array, and second one is multi-dimensional array. In single dimensional array we used only one row and multiple columns. That means we can uh, create or we can get elements in a single line. And in multi-dimensional array, rows and columns are used to declare or get the elements in array. It multi-dimensional array supports tabular format. Then advantages of array. First advantage of array is code optimization. By using array concept, the code get reduced, as we can store multiple elements in a single array. It reduces the code in comparing to other methodologies which are used to get inputs or get variables for using in program. Then second one is random access. As array is indexed base, we can use or we can get elements of any position that we want. That suppose there is a 10 numbers in array, and we have to get the number, or we have to display the number at position 5th. Then we just call that array of index, then the element which is stored on that index get displayed. Third one is disadvantage of array is size limit. That means once we declare array, we cannot change it in our program. The size of array is fixed. For overcome this drawback, collection framework is used in array or in Java. Then the last one, the last point is for each loop. We can also print array of element by using for each loop, and that loop is specially designed for array in Java. It holds an elements in variable, then executes the body of loop. That's it.